Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a smaller grocery haul today. I'm going to pick up a few things from Sam's Club and then also a few things over at Smith's. Big old box that I have in my car. I just got my daughter a new booster seat, so I'm going to go home and set that up for her, and she's going to be so excited when I pick her up tomorrow. So, okay, I'll show you guys what I get when I get home, okay? Alrighty you guys, so we're back home from the store now, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got this week. Picked up a gallon of purified drinking water. I got my favorite silk almond chocolate milk drink back there. My daughter is really loving the sliced olives right now, so I picked those up at Sam's Club. I got this huge ginormous pack of chocolate chips because me and my son have been eating those like crazy, so they're a better deal to bake with and whatnot. I picked up another thing of cottage cheese because I was out. This was a last minute decision to buy this watermelon. I couldn't find any that you could buy and cut up yourself, and it looked really good, so I went ahead and bought that today. I got some more of the coconut beverage drinks, more Hershey's syrup because we're out of that. I picked up these Tyson white meat chicken nuggets for my kids to eat for lunches. Picked up some beer brat, Johnsonville brats. Picked up some beef for some stew. I also picked up these beef tips. And these look really good. You can make them with a lot of different things, and they cook up really fast in like 7 or 8 minutes. So be a really quick dinner to make after work one night if you're feeling kind of tired or whatever. Went ahead and picked up these Power Crunch bars. I like the chocolate mint. It's my favorite flavor. And then we eat a lot of mini wheats in this house, so I went ahead and picked up this twin pack there. Went ahead and got some more broccoli and peas for the side of anything. So that is all we got today. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.